I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by ensuring power and basic backups so the reboot won't interrupt important work. Plug the charger in or confirm battery greater or equal 20% to avoid shutdown during restart. Once backed up, close memory-heavy apps to speed the process. This reduces background tasks that can hang during boot. Now press and hold the power button for 2-4 seconds until the power menu appears. If the screen is unresponsive, prepare the device for a forced restart. I'll show that next. Tap Restart on the power menu and watch for the manufacturer logo. This confirms a normal reboot. If the device is frozen and the menu doesn't open, perform a forced reboot by holding power plus volume down for about 8-12 seconds. That replicates a hardware reset safely. Once the system reboots, it may take longer than usual while services restart. Make sure to wait. If you suspect a problematic app, long press Restart and choose Safe Mode to diagnose without third-party apps running. After the phone restarts, verify Wi-Fi, mobile signal, and Bluetooth so services reconnect. Open your key apps and confirm data and sync status. Make sure accounts re-authenticate if prompted. If the phone boots slowly once, give it a few minutes for background optimizations. If you encounter a boot loop or continual crashes, boot to recovery mode and wipe cache partition first. If that fails, perform a factory reset only after backing up everything. If unsure, contact support before erasing data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.